crawling out of you, and now find comfort in the smallest spaces of sold out. I know I said I hope I don't upset the light you defend, but this time it's different. Destroy my pain, then capture life again. Destroy my shame, can't live my life this way. Go, let go, and capture life again. Go, let go, can't live my life this way. I'm giving up, I'm living but weak. I'm hearing voices from shadows inside me. I never sleep, my eyes are too focused, too hopeless, too broken, too open to notice. Interfering with the call of fate is crawling out of you, and now find comfort in the smallest spaces of sold out.